Looking for the easiest way to properly set up Netflix on Apple TV 4K so you can start streaming your favorite movies and TV shows in there? For that, first you need to open App Store. And here you can just go ahead and search for Netflix. Now you'll see a Get or a Cloud icon. Just go ahead, click on it to install it to your Apple TV. Alright, so after installing Netflix, let's open the app. And just go ahead and click on the sign in option. You can use your phone, or if it's not logged into your phone, you can use a remote to log in. If you have chosen a remote to manually sign in to Netflix, you can do it by entering your email ID and then carefully put down your password with the Apple TV remote. If you're already signed into your phone, you can use your phone to log in using the login QR or the activation code method. Just select Use Phone, and then a QR code and an activation code along with that would appear on your TV screen. But you know what? It's kind of a hit or miss. It doesn't always work properly. So instead, we're just using the activation code method. So let's open any web browser on your device and then go to netflix.com/ATV. Now after that, enter the code shown on your TV, and the Apple TV will automatically refresh and log you in. Once you've logged in, you can start enjoying your favorite shows on Netflix on your Apple TV. But if you want to make sure you're getting the best picture quality, you need to tweak a few settings. So for that, let's go ahead and go to the Apple TV settings. Then here, you're going to find out the video and audio option, and then just ensure the format is set to the best possible quality. Now, in our case, it's 4K HDR or Dolby Vision. If it's not available, just choose the 4K SDR for the best balance. And you know what? You're good to go. This is a way you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies on Netflix on your Apple TV 4K in the best quality possible. That's all for today. Thanks for your time.